What now? Did you know what you are going to do? Still slowly, صح ولا لا? What you have now? What you have now? You have material. So far, you have material. Correct or not? So far, you have material. Did we have structure analysis material? Did we have construction management material? Whatever we have in our class, I am giving every single questions coming to our exam, not from out. Whatever coming to our exam, I give it to you. If even soil mechanics, we are going to have 35 questions and problems coming to our exam, all of them. I will give whatever come to our exam. I will not give you out of the box. Means what is repeated. When I told you copy paste, it's copy paste. It's copy paste. Okay? You can memorize the answer like your name. My name is Yasser Ibrahim Ahmed Ismail. Where is the power credit? What is the limit? Okay? This is a technique. Build what? Your mindset plan. You have mindset كده. Adjust yourself for the plan I'm going to give it to you. Don't worry. Everything in your pocket. خلاص كده؟ طيب, let us go for today is what? I'm not giving everything, still not yet. Injection I will give. Don't worry. Soon or later you will have. Soon or later. If anyone have exam tomorrow or after tomorrow or after tomorrow, I will give him. But no need. Let us come here to the classroom. Let us enjoy our classes and meet every week 3 times. And we study as well. You are coming here to study? Yes, absolutely. You are coming here to study. Correct or not? صح كده؟ You are yes, refreshment, yes, and you are refreshment now in your knowledge, absolutely yes. We need such minimum effort. You cannot, all of us كده, we study the same what study in our previous college days. Correct or not? In college days, we come we are not have any responsibility. Just you are a student. You are a student. You go to your college, come back from college, study, and you take allowance from your father, and your father is happy with you. How much money, ya habibi, you want? I want $10. Take. Why? I will choose pencils and leaves and paper and tea and yalla take. Okay, happy life. But nowadays you don't have such as what? Luxury. Khalas. We are working. We are giving. We are giving. So our mind, we cannot come back to study the same module or same model what we are studying before. Let us start to study smart. Don't study hard. We cannot study hard. No one in this classroom can study hard. No one. Correct or not? Because we don't have such as luxury time or spare time. All of us have responsibility, working and. Okay? Stuck then from whatever I'm going to give it to you, and everything will be okay. Agreed? Let us go for what? Soil mechanics. Next Thursday, I will talk about the balance, what you are going to do exactly. Maybe yes, maybe no. No, today is what? Tuesday, Thursday, I said. Thursday, maybe I will give you the plan or not. No, I will not give injection now. You are in a hurry. You are in a hurry. No. Maybe Sunday, maybe Thursday, maybe no, maybe Saturday, maybe no, maybe Sunday, maybe in the last class, maybe. I want you to come here. If I give you everything now, صباح الفل. Why I need Yasser? Okay, guys, it's a technique. Anyway, let us come back to our what? Let us go for our class. Everybody here have what? Have the exercise and the notebook, the lecture material. Our soil mechanics. Don't forget, our exam is what? 2 minutes what? 2 minutes. 2 minutes 13 seconds. You are going to answer each, the answering rate time is 2 minutes 13 seconds, because you have 27 questions and the problems in what? In 60 minutes. يبقى the rate is what? 2 minutes 13 seconds. Yes, exactly. What type of questions and problems I'm going to have in my exam? It's like a box of chocolate. You don't know, but there is limit. There is criteria. What is the criteria? 1 equation to 2 equation exam. You will solve any problem by what? 1 equation or 2 equation, not more than that. Just only for structure analysis, it need what? Need little bit what? Effort. Correct or not? But all is what? All is 1 to 2 equation exam. I will solve my problems and the 1 equation. Means what? If you know this, the principles and the concept, you can put the equation, 2 minutes 13 seconds. And the 4 option. Every single questions have what? Multi options. 4 options. 2 of them not related to subject. Means what? You can by your own. You will see now. You will discover now. You will discover now. You will discover now today that there is 2 options is near to answers to the subject, and the 2 is not related. By your own, if you have minimum knowledge, by your own you can what? Eliminate what? Pick the other 2 and put them in away and focus in the other 2. With minimum knowledge, you can able by your own, even without Yasser, because emotionally you already trained, you can pick up the correct answer and add it to what? In your pocket. صباح القشطة. It's already previous, already this technique already from 7, 8 years now. It's not more than 7, 8 years now. We are practicing this one every month with all the engineer. Before this classroom, it was full. This classroom really, but because there is no jobs and no projects, no engineers in Qatar. Wallahi, I swear, it was full. And every day we have people going to exam. I pass the exam. Come back, I pass the exam. It's already normal for me. Okay, so don't worry, guys. Bye. Let us come back to our slides and let's start soil mechanics. You will see by my own. And by the way, there is some formulas and the equation I'm going to tell you, you have to memorize it. Put it if you need to do the minimum effort, higher effort, higher effort. Later on, I will tell you what the meaning if you need to do some effort, minimum effort, وبعدين little higher than minimum, وبعدين higher more than moderate effort. I will explain to you. يبقى now, start with soil mechanics, basic definition and terminology of soil. We have system of units and the physical quantities. What's the meaning system of units? System of units, we have British units, foot pound second. Foot what? Pound second. Foot pound second. We are not familiar about this what units. We are more, but this in our college days, correct? Foot pound second. We have metrics, what? Gram, meter second. Gram, meter second. This metric. We have the standard unit, standard international standard meter, kilogram, KMS, kilo, meter, second. Okay, Tai. What is the physical quantities? Okay. The volume and the mass. What is the relationship between the volume and mass? Density. Density is equal what? Density equal. Let us start from what? Start from here. Your density. Rho equal what? Rho, Latin letter. Mass over volume. طيب, we have a density of water. We need to memorize the unit of it. We need to memorize the unit for mass of density of water. Density of water is equal what? Equal in foot pound second unit 1.94 slugs over cubic feet. We need to a row of water is equal what? Equal 1.94 what? Slugs over what? Cubic feet. Equal what? In the standard units equal 1,000 kilogram over what? Over cubic meter. We need to memorize. Type. What else we have? We have a specific gravity or GS, both of them. You can have SG or GS. Gravity specific or S specific gravity. Equal what? Equal a rho for any material divided the rho of water. Equal el gamma for any material, el unit weight, equal what? Divided what? El gamma water. What is the relationship between el gamma and the rho? El gamma, el unit weight, equal what? Equal el gravity multiply el rho. يبقى now 2 1 وبعدين 3 ايه ده؟ الجرافيك wait I'm giving you now. الجاما as I told you equal what? Equal gravity. Gravity here equal what? Equal 32.2 foot over second square. 32.2, yes. Foot over second square equal 9.81 meter over second square. I did gravity. I need to memorize. طيب الرو equal 1.94 9.94 slugs over cubic meter. يبقى الرو الجاما equal what? الجاما water. Don't memorize any material, just the water. Gamma water equal what? Equal 62.4 what? Pound over cubic feet. Equal pound cubic feet. Equal pound over cubic feet. Equal pound cubic feet. Gamma water. Equal what? Equal 810 Newton over meter square. This is what we need to memorize. When I told you gamma water is equal what? Directly 62.4 what? Pound over what? Over cubic feet. El gamma water equal what? 9,810 Newton over square meter. El gravity is equal what? Gravity equals 32.2 foot over second square. Equal what? 9.81 meter of second square. A row of water equal what? 1.94 slugs over cubic feet. Equal what? 1,000 kilogram over what? Over cubic meter. This is what I need to memorize as the physical units and the quantities. Foot pound second, we understand now. Foot pound second. How I am going to convert from foot pound seconds to standard units. This is, we will learn soon. How we are going to convert. Easy. I will teach you how to do it easily, very simple, very smoothly. Don't worry about it. Okay? Right. Number 2, we will have what? We are going to discuss about what? We are going to discuss about soil samples. The first lecture in soil mechanics in our college days, the samples. Soil sample, taking soil samples and they give you what? Figure, tell you what? The void ratio, total volume of air, the volume of solids, the volume of water, the volume of voids. This is what we are going to have it now. Okay. Number B, 1.02 soil samples. الفويد ريتشيو we are going to have it. البروسيتي وبعدين الديجري اوف saturation we will know all. density اليونت ويت السبيسيفيك جرافيتي we already aware about what does mean density. البيرنج capacity we are going to discuss it, and total vertical stress and effective stress which is coming to our exam يعني continuously كده. وبعدين soil classification important of soil classification. وبعدين Attenberg limits grain size distribution and sieve analysis. وبعدين number 3 ground improvement techniques we are going to discuss about it. وبعدين slope stability retaining walls and embankment. وبعدين shallow foundation and bulge foundation. We will go through all. Slide number 2 system of units. CGS metric centimeter gram second. The French units will not come to our exam, just only 2 or 3 problem. 2 French units. French units. In foot pound seconds, 80% to 90% from our problems is what? Foot pound second. Did you notice? Did you notice the structural analysis? Tips, foot. Tips. You will see now in soil mechanics a lot. Tips, foot, gamma, pound over cubic feet. Okay? طيب. We have foot pound second اللي هي البريتش وبعدين متر كيلو جرام سكند اللي هي الستاندر يونتس متر كيلو جرام سكند. اوكي طيب. Physical quantities slide number 3 we have الماس M الفوليوم V الجرافيتي G الرو density الجاما السبيسيفيك ويت اللي هي اليونت ويت الفورس F الانرجي جول all of them just only to have it as your knowledge. If you come back to this slides, this is what we need to study. This is what we need to study. We don't need to go more than that. Okay? Don't go more than that. This is what you need to study. This is the minimum effort. You can do it in a good manner. A little bit effort, little effort. But all of them, you will score more than 14, inshallah. Right. Let us come back to slide number 4. Slide number 4, weight equal force equal mass multiply gravity. Okay. Trigonometric, slide number 5, trigonometric function. Is sine 30 is equal what? It's better for me to memorize is sine 30 is equal 0.5. No need to what? No need to use what? Calculator, because a calculator is what? It's not allowed to have what? It's not allowed to have your calculator. Is allowed what? To use the scientific calculator in what? Built in your desktop. You have desktop. In your exam, you have the same desktop. No laptop, no computer, no mobile, no watch even. Could be sometimes stupid taking the smart. Yes, I don't know, but sometimes I don't know. They are telling like that. No calculator allowed. Only desktop and blank paper and pencil. A blank paper and pencil. Very easy, guys. Don't take it serious. It's nothing. It's nothing. Yes, you will see by your own, inshallah, once you pass the exam. Allah. It's nothing. What is this exam? You will see, inshallah. Don't worry. It's better for us to memorize sine 30, cosine 30, sine 60, cosine 30, sine and the cosine 45. It's easy for us to memorize it as what figure? Yeah, okay. Sine 30 is equal 0.5. Cosine 30 is equal 0.86. You can easily memorize it by your own. Right. Slide number 7. Slide number 7 is standard units. As a reference, you can come back to it if you need it. Slide number 6, we have a Latin letters. This is a symbol of rho. What's the meaning rho? Density. When you have it in your exam, means what? Density. El gamma, el specific weight or el unit weight? Gamma. El beta 3-point estimate. 3-point estimate, you remember, guys, when we have a 3-point estimate, the distribution of beta, it will take beta. Why? Because if you have O, L, B, actually, it will take the shape beta. Okay, so now 3-point estimate is beta. Coming to our exam, the 3-point estimate distribution shape is what? Choose beta. Okay, ايه دي؟ الجاما اوف ووتر ايكوال وات؟ متر؟ لا، الجاما ووتر ايكوال 62.4 باوند as a weight over cubic meter, over cubic feet, sorry, over cubic feet, pound over cubic feet equal Newton over cubic meter, 9,810 Newton over what? I have, لا, cube. If I have cubic meter of water, the weight of it 9,810 Newton weight. Okay, it's not kilogram. الرو kilogram. Okay, الرو equal 1,000 of water equal 1,000 kilogram over what? Over cubic meter. Okay, or meter cube, whatever. Correct كده؟ خلاص. طيب. This is wrong. Cubic meter. It's not square. 9,810 Newton over cubic meter. It's not meter square. طيب. The second one, soil fraction, is wrong here. Soil fraction, we call it phi. What's the meaning? Latin letter phi. The phi indicate what? Indicate for soil fraction angle. Soil fraction angle. Okay? Phi. You will see it now. وبعدين التاو, you remember التاو? Shear stress. You remember when we have our beams? Shear stress tau. We call it tau. وبعدين sigma normal stress. This slide number 6 here. لا. Slide number 6 where? Yeah, slide number 6. Slide number 6. Okay. We have sigma وبعدين sigma dash effective. Sigma dash effective what? Stress. وبعدين specific gravity or gravity specific. Down. Yes, you are here. Correct. All of you here. Type Edward. And let us go for what? Let us go for the first what? The first part in our soil mechanics. Soil sample. Any soil sample have what? Soil sample. Any soil sample. We take soil sample and represent it in what? In mass, in volume, and weight. Mass of what? Mass of solid. Any soil sample have what? Solid. Any mass or any type of sample have what? Water. And they have what? Air. Sure, 100%. You know, we have what? We have solids. We have what? Water. And we have air. Weight. Weight of what? Water. Weight of what? Solids. Volume of water. Volume of solids. صح? Air. We don't have, we have volume of air, but we don't have what? Weight of air. There is no weight for the air. Correct or not? طيب حلو قوي. يبقى now here volume of what? Volume of water. Volume of air. Both, all. Volume of voids. Volume of voids. The voids, any soil sample have voids. If it's dry, if this sample of soil dry, means what? The water is equal what? The weight of water equals 0. The weight of water and the mass of water equals 0 means there is no water at all. This is what we call it what? So, gamma dry. Okay? Soil without any water. Even now this soil A have what? Dry. Soil, dry. Right. We have what? A volume of solids. حلوة. يبقى now total volume. number, go for not, go for number, slide number 9. الفويد اوف ريتشيو، الريتشيو الاي الفويد ريتشيو ايكوال وات؟ الفوليوم of void divided الفوليوم of solid. الفوليوم of voids divided الفوليوم of solids. طيب الووتر كونتنت ايكوال وات؟ الويت of water divided الويت of solid. الووتر كونتنت ايكوال وات؟ الويت of water divided الويت of solids. الفويد ريتشيو equal what? Let us memorize, huh? When I tell you now, let us memorize, yes. How many now? 3 before? Before 3? يبقى now 4. 5. طيب الفيلوسيتي الفوليوم of voids divided total volume of the sample. Okay, total volume of the sample. Okay, and we are presented by percentage. حلو قوي. And here as well presented as a percentage. Okay, طيب ايه تاني؟ We have a degree of saturation. Degree of saturation is equal what? Total volume of voids have water. Total volume have water divided a total volume of voids. The volume of water divided the total volume of what? Voids. يبقى now saturation equal the volume of water divided what? The volume of voids. برضو multiply ايه؟ multiply 100. يبقى now number 7. Okay, see? صح كده؟ طيب let us go for what? The first problems coming to our exam. Where? Here. Nobody have it, but I will give it to you now. Here. Here and here, don't worry. But here. لا, I will write and write it with me. Number 1. يبقى now question number 1. Coming to our exam, huh? When I tell you coming to our exam, coming to our exam. يبقى now a specific gravity of what? Of soil, of a soil sample is given to be 2.65. No unit, huh? Because specific gravity is equal what? الجاما of this soil, of this sample divided what? Divided الجاما water. يبقى now there is no unit. Okay? The specific gravity, there is no unit. If the specific gravity for any material less than 1 means what? It will be floated above water. If the specific gravity for any material more than what means what? You put it in water, it will be sink down. Easy. When any wood, piece of wood floated because a specific gravity for wood less than 1. If more than 1, there is some wood more than 1. This would be sink down. Okay, agreed? Don't forget about this minor knowledge. Equal 2.65 and nature's content اللي هي الووتر كونتنت and degree of saturation degree of saturation are 0.6 and 0.7 respectively. Find void ratio, and the answer A, B, C, and D. El A 1.34, el B 2.27, and 4.89 and 0.78. Yeah, solve. Okay, we know about the void ratio. We know about the void ratio, but we don't know a very important equation. So what is this equation telling you? Telling you what? Telling you gravity specific multiply water content. This is the equation you are going to know. Multiply water content equal void ratio multiply saturation. This equation or this formula, if you don't know it, if you don't memorize it, you will never what? Solve the problem now.
Number 8.
Number 08.
Number 8.
Number 8A. Number 1. 8. ايه 8؟ انا ما جبتش فوق 8. ايوه صح correct. I am going to go to the perfect correct 8 now. You can put it 8 correct. يبقى now the specific gravity equal to 2.67 multiply water content 0.6 equal 0.7 multiply E. يبقى E equal directly. You don't need what? You don't need to do any effort. طب where is this equation? In our in our slides. If you go to our slides, slides number 11, there is some important relationship and formulas. I tell you what, very important. See, in specific gravity, in our slides, we have it here. In our slides, a specific gravity multiply water content equal what? Equal saturation multiply void ratio. When I told you very important to memorize, you have to memorize. This is the minimum knowledge we are going to have. Don't go beyond the limit. Okay, guys? See, when you study, you need how many hours? You need almost 3 hours to study all this one. Once you already have it in our exercise, in our classroom here, you need 3 hours at home. Friday كده, cup of tea, and they study. 3 hours, you are going to be familiar about, you are going to organize what? You are going to organize your material, put it in a soft copy or hard copy or whatever. You are the one responsible about that one. Organize it by a way you can study and you can have access to it easily. Put it كده in a hard copy, in a folder or something like that in the desk. When I need to study, pick it up, study. I'm always study with a hard copy. That's why I am bringing a hard. I cannot study soft with a soft. I don't know. I cannot. I need a book and paper and write. Okay, Ty. Number 2. Another equation, void ratio equal what? Equal specific gravity multiply gamma water, which is never given to you in your A problem. Gamma water equal what? You know it now. 62.4 pound over cubic feet equal 9,810 Newton over cubic meter. We need to memorize it because it will never give it to you. I will show it to you. Never give it to you. So you now memorize what? By our eyes, by our own cells. Divided the gamma dry, it will give it to you, and the equation -1. If you don't know about this equation and gamma water, you will never what? you will never solve the problem and the answer. It's very easy for us, so we can what? We can do it and keep it like that. This is number one now. This is number one now. Fine. What is number two? Let us go for slide number 12. 2.65. 2.65. 7? لا, wrong. Sorry. I'm working all the day, guys. By the way, the same of you. Sometimes كده تلاقي some because really, you cannot imagine if you work underneath the sun in the afternoon in this day, half an hour only, you will come, your mind is come, wallah, half an hour today, I'm in the sun, underneath the sun, half an hour, and after that, I see the stars already. The stars is coming. So I am here.
Answer is 2.27.
Yes, the answer is, I told you the answer is B. The answer is B. So as much as yani correct me, no worries. I am accepted and I will be happy. No problem. Just correct me through the way. Okay, time. Let us go for what? Sample, mass, and volume fraction. This coming what I tell you, please note, such this example is to enhance and refreshing. It will not come to our exam. It will never come. Where is your hard copy? Hard copy received 4 pages like that for showing that. One hard copy. 4 pages less. See? One only. Soil mechanics, 4 pages like that. Soil mechanics, sorry. Okay, hard copy, one hard copy, but 4 pages in the. تعال هي فرصة يا ريت ما طلعت فرصة قول له راح سيجارة وشاي وبتاع one cigarette and chance. See, you break your طيب let us come back to our what? Please note that's what. So this example is to what? To enhance. It will never come to our exam. It will never come to our exam. If we go back through the pages, through the slides, it will solve you. Slides number 12. Example, mass and the volume fraction.
Okay.
It will not come to our exam. You can read them, read them. You want to read them, you read them. If you need to skip them, skip.
How many questions will become from this soil mechanics?
2 to 3.
2 to 3?
2 to 3. 2 to 3. But don't worry. You be happy. Don't worry at all. Believe me, you will see. You will be very happy when you are the tower crane problems coming. Number 1, tower crane. No, you see, you will be very happy. You will see. Time. Let us come back to our what? Our slides. Number 12 as what? Please note that is a for refreshment. It will not come to our exam. You can skip. No problem. If you need to read it, read it. I am advising to read it at home. Just read it. Just read it. Don't even solve it. Just read it. Okay? Because coming to in our geotechnical report, they are taking borehole, 2 boreholes, 3 boreholes, and they are taking samples and sending to laboratory, soil mechanics laboratory, and they give us what? Soil report. Correct or not? Building back capacity for a particular level, for foundation, and all. And they give it to whom? To the designer in DC1. In DC1 stage. in DC1 stage, they are asking for the geotechnical A report. Submitted to our they are taking. وبعدين الديزاينر الستراكشر engineer take the bearing capacity whatever values and put it in his what calculation to give what give a foundation a size. This is and the contractor when he sign a contract and he start execution he have to submit as well to give what geotechnical A report for a particular A requirement. It's not all, it's not per whole, just only two, and the survey report. Correct or not? So, right. The same concept, they are taking samples and give us whatever we have here. The solids, in water, in air, bearing capacity, porosity, Attenberg limit, liquid limit. If you go for your soil report, you will find all this information. Our construction project have soil report. If you go for it, read it, you'll find whatever we have here. Okay. Go for slide number 15. Let us say number 15 in order كده number 15 the same example calculation of unit weight. Again, please note such is what? Such this example is to enhance and refresh it. Again, skip. Again, skip. Okay. Let us go for number 1. Let us go for slide number 16. Now, this is number 2 in our what? In our exam. This is to refresh. To refresh. Here. Here. Slide number 18. See command, Mr. UPDA. Number 16. I bought you very nice bike كده with a nice captain. This nice captain tell you what? Mr. UPDA, it's your homework. Number 4. Before 3 years, 4 or 4 years back, I'm giving homework. I was giving homework, and any engineer will not solve the homework, I will take from him 10 real. Thank you very much. Where is your 100 real? Okay, I was collecting, really. I was collecting. Any engineer will not solve the homework, I'm collecting. I was collecting a lot of money. In the end, I'm bringing one Monday. It's a last class. I bring just chocolate. I bring sweets, and I put it in the classroom, and we are eating. But I found it's not much now because it's not too much engineers. Yes. Yeah. Absolutely no. But I'm not collecting anything. I'm just joking. Anyway, so we have what Mr. UPDA now solve this A problem. It's easy for us. I will solve it you. You can take it and keep it in your exam. Once you saw it كده, you will pick up the answer by your own. Why I put you here the pipe to remind you about what? Don't worry, it's the same, repeated everything. Okay, let us go for the answer. Right, you have what? We have sample. Tell you what, the solids, water. The water here is what? Water and the air. The total gamma total is equal what? Gamma total equal 127 pound cubic feet. We understand now. We have to be familiar about what? Slides number 18. Slides number 18, guys. All of us with the same page or not? Slides number 18. Go. Yes, here. All of us? Yes. All of us, yes. We have what? What does mean BCF? Pound cubic foot. When you have pound cubic foot means what? Pound. يبقى now familiar بقى, be familiar. الباوند cubic foot equal what? Equal pound cubic inch equal. Don't panic. We understand now. Pound square foot. يبقى pound over square foot. Pound square inch equal pound over inch square. No panic, nothing. Easy, very easy, very easy. Okay? 80% to 90% from our body is coming what? Foot pound second units, which الانش related to foot. How many? Every 1 foot have 12 inch. Some engineers, because we are not measured in our project by foot, centimeter, meter. They are not familiar about what such is units, but it's very easy, very easy. We already started structure analysis, SCAPES, foot. You remember, guys? In soil mechanics, the same. I will not panic. It's very simple now. BCF means pound cubic foot. يعني every 1 cubic foot for this soil sample have what? 127 pound. Easy? If I tell you now 1 foot, 1 foot, and 1 foot, and 1 foot, you may have what now? I have 127 pound total air and water and what? And the solids type. الجاما solids itself equal what? 165.4 equal 165.4 pound cubic foot. Any issue? Nothing. And water content, %. If I have now 1 cubic foot from this sample, I have what? 127 pound. If I told you now, the water content equal what? The weight of water divided the weight of solids. صح كده؟ يبقى now the weight of solids, the weight of water, the weight of solids 10 over what? 100, صح? Total weight is what? 110. Correct or not? Total weight now 110. The weight of solids now equal 100 divided 110. Multiply what? Multiply 127 pound. أطلع the weight of solid. I have a gamma solid only, but the weight of solids is equal what? Equal 115 point what? 0.5 تقريبا pound. The void of solids equal the weight of solids divided gamma solid equal 115.5 divided what? 165.5 equal 0.69 what? Cubic feet. يبقى الفوليوم of void is equal what? الفوليوم of void equal 1 minus 0.69 equal 0.31. يبقى الفويد ريتش البروسيتي is what? 31.31 divided 1 multiply what? 100 يبقى equal 31%. Directly كده you can take the whatever the answer and you have what? Study it at home, but don't worry because it's coming the same. And where is the 30? Where is the 30%? D. Where is D? 30%.
There are 4 equations.
ها؟
Number of equations.
لا sorry.
Number of equations are more here.
Yes, but it's more, and you will never solve it by your own unless you study this way. But I told you now, there is another model of effort. You can what? You can study by it. Such things, if it's coming to my exam, and then this Mr. Bibe is already have Bibe here. What is the 30%? What is the 30% is D, يبقى الانسر is D. بس خلاص. الانسر where it D. Most nearly 30%. خلاص. Copy paste. By number, by order, by everything. Like what? The tower crane is 11. 11. 2. Same. Okay? I know. I know. It's more than 2 equations. But you will see a lot now. 1 equation, 2 equation, 1 equation, 2 equation, 1 equation, 2 equation. Right. Let us go for what? Second part of what? Second part of soil mechanics. Did you notice something? Did you notice that our exam is growing? Yes. I showed you now, number 1 is void ratio, remember? This is number what? Number 2 now. You put it now, number 2 in your slides, your material. This is number 2. This I am going to study. This I am going to study, and this is good. I'm going to focus. I will not go beyond this limit. If you want to go to beyond this limit, you have the website, have 900 questions. The problem is study بقى. swim. and عيش your life. يعني ايه؟ live your life كده and study بقى. study. You are every day بقى 10 cup of tea. Study now. If you need to study, study. Anyone can stop you? No. If you have time, dedicated effort and time, study. I'm advising if you have time. But you have time? Did you have time? No. So I am as well. I'm giving you everything is easy. Okay, I can tell you, come here. This is what you have website, yalla go. No, we don't have time. So I am preparing you emotionally to what? For a message. 95 from all engineers, they will follow it. 95 engineers, they are going to follow it. But at least what? At least you know what you are going to do. And what you are going to have, you have it. You are going to have it. What material you have, what material I'm going to study, the method of study, I have method 1, method 2, method 3. So which method I'm going to follow is up to you. But all of them, it will lead your success. Again, I'm repeating. If I give it to you from first class, why shall you come here for class number 10? You are just join in the middle. Okay, inshallah, you are going to join from the first batch again. So you are going to be familiar, more familiar, because the first class is coming here. What type of exam I'm going to have? Correct, guys, or not? You remember the first class, but now it's easy now. Everything you say is mostly now. You are happy little bit. You're wanted your anxiety is getting what? Reduce less, until what? Until the last class. Everything in your bucket. Thank you very much. Go to your exam second day. Type. Let us come back to what? The second part from the topics. Quality resignation. Rock quality designation. See? Rock quality designation. RQD. لا number 2 finish خلاص. Here number 2 اللي هو question number 1. بس بقى الصفحه الثانيه بحكي بقى بحكي على الصفحه الثانيه بقى. هير ايوه لا هير بقى كده ايوه كده. سلايز نمبر وات؟ سلايز نمبر 19. صح. The second part rock quality designation coming to our exam in 3 typical questions coming to our number 2 number 3 for extracting rock samples of good quality. وبعدين a rock pool is retrieved from drill hole. We have two. Correct or not? Slides number 19. We have two. These two coming to our exam, but in the area of what? Rock quality designation. What does mean rock quality designation? Let us see. They are extracting sample rock in Qatar, in Mecca, it was ever, if hard rock. And they are going to take what? 1.2 meter, assume, drilling كده, and they are getting samples from what? From this soil. Two, the tools and the equipment we are going to use, we need to make sure that the sample is not what? It's not affected by lateral pressure from the machines. That's why we need to have what? Some tubes, two direction. One tube in this direction, the second one digging like that to protect. Okay, وبعدين taking the sample. وبعدين put the sample, release the equipment, take the sample from this tube and put it in a leveled table, bench, whatever. Okay? And you will find this sample have rock, have crack, crack. And the pieces. Could be what? Could be folly. No one crack on it. But this means what? The specific gravity for this rock is very high. The specific gravity for this rock is very high. Solid, very solid, like granite. But if you have loose rock, you will find it what? Pieces. Okay, pieces. We have the standard telling you that any piece less than 10 centimeter, exclude. Take all the pieces, 10 centimeter or more, and put them together. And measure what? Measure the length of these pieces. يبقى now assume you already have 120 centimeter. You will find it all the pieces more than 10 centimeter or equal 10 centimeter or more is 100 centimeter. يبقى rock quality designation for this sample is equal what? 100 divided 120 multiply 100. Very good quality. Okay, this is what we call it, this extracting rock sample. When we say rock quality designation, this is a standard. TBI is a standard for what? Soil sampling. So we are protect this sample to be cracked from, because if you are digging in rock, the machine itself, it will be pressure and it will be evaporated laterally. So that's meaning what? That's meaning the soil sample is the sample itself could be cracked by its own. Okay, type. Number 3, I already gave you the concept here. This is the concept. Number 3. Here. Rock quality designation. Value of 100%. 100% indicates what? Indicates of select one. Number A, seal option now. Number B, number C, number D. By your own, you will choose the correct answer by your own. Option A, fully fissured rock. وبعدين intact rock. وبعدين very soft clay. يا راجل this is rock تقول لي clay. وبعدين very dense sand. يا راجل يبقى لو automatically كده what؟ صح؟ Are this correct answer? Is COD is what? Clay with sand. I'm talking about rock. يبقى now by your own you can choose by your own what الايه لا اما البي صح agreed with me or not you have 2 minutes 13 seconds you have 2 minutes and you already have familiar about a rock designation for rock and 100% means what there is no crack at all if fully assured means what a lot of crack on it يعني nose يبقى 100% intact rock the answer is intact easy number 3 now number 3 coming from previous exam number 3 okay easy طب number 4 اللي هي number 2 in our slides number 2 number 3 يبقى number 2 write it down in your what write it down in your slides here number 2 number 3 is number 2 number 2 sorry number 2 is number 4 here slides number 18 19 يبقى now this is number what number 4 مش we have 3 now مش number 3 now we have يبقى this number what number 4 write it down did you write whatever I'm giving to you did you have a screenshot even you have to get all the screenshot because in the end I'm going to give you whatever I have but you have to study the minimum study effort is what study here guys we study here the 3 hours we are studying here correct or not or otherwise you study at home you will never study يبقى now this is number 4 وبعدين number 3 is what number 5 how many now guys how many now this is number what 3 يبقى number 2 is what here 4 وبعدين number 3 is what number 5 reorder remark now remark the numbers is easy very simple remark whatever the number here so it's easy for you you have everything at home cup of tea tuck I will finish the story where is the formula yes
120 is 120 centimeters long.
let us go for number 3 number 5 it will solve your 8 doubt
What is 100? My question is, what is 100?
the pieces the total length of pieces 10 centimeter and more I put it together I measure it all the pieces 10 centimeter and more I will put them together it's 100 centimeter assume 100 centimeter
But in this photo, it was 120.
the total length is what and I told you it will solve your doubt here number what number 5 اللي هي number 3 a rock core is retrieved from a drill hole the length of the recovered core is what 123 centimeter يبقى the length now the total length is what 123 centimeter easy very simple طيب there are 5 pieces 10 centimeter or more 5 pieces 10 centimeter or more length and the pieces have combined length of 89 centimeter the rock quality designation for this core is most nearly is what 89 divided 123 multiply 100 by your own you can solve it easily is equal 72% pass see guys yes 89 divided 123 multiply what multiply 100 see what is the easy which one here this is number 5 now
Yeah.
now this is routed number 5 number 4 yes number 4 so when you study you will not confuse later on I will not tell because if I will tell you will not focus with me I will tell you number 2 for extracting rock samples of good quality what we have to do now double ولا single بس خلاص صباح الفل double ولا single يعني الانسر السي والدي is wrong ادي double